Hello and welcome, dear students. I have made two separate videos, one for explanation of the exercise, and the other video is the solution to your questions in exercise 5.5. Kindly watch the first video of explanation to the required exercise, that is 5.5. Under exercise 5.5, your first question is, which of the following are coprimes? Coprimes are the numbers having only one as their common factor. From the two numbers, you have only one as their common factor. Okay, according to your question, which of the following are coprimes? This is the third sum which I have taken. So let's quickly note down all the list all the factors of 54. So 1 is the common, then 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 24, no 27, 27 and 54. List all the factors of 144, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72, and the number itself 144. As you can see, there are so many common factors here. 1, 2, 3, 6 and 18. These are all common in both the numbers. Hence this could not cannot be a coprime number. Coprime number should have only number 1, that is this number, as their common factor. So this can't be a common factor as it has got so many factors in common. 54 and 144 are not coprimes as these numbers have lots of common factors. I'll do one more sum for you under the same question, that is 1, 6, 1, 1, 9, 2. List all the factors of 161, that is 1, 7, 23 and 161. Then list all the factors of 192, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, 32, 48, 64, 96, and 192. As you can see, there are lots of numbers, but none of them are common except one, right? So these two numbers are co-prime numbers as they have only one number in common. So 1 is the only common factor of 161 and 192. Therefore, they are co-primes. Your next question is, using division method, find the HCF of 120, 144 and 204. So to solve these sums, we will start with the first number 120. We will divide 144, and whatever new divisor we will get, with that new divisor we will divide 204. Copy the numbers first. 120, 144. So we'll take it one time, as if we'll take two times, multiply this number by two times, it will be more than 144, and we don't want a greater number. We want the number less than or equal to. So this will be 120 minus 4, 2. Now this is a new divisor and a new dividend will be 120. By 5 this number goes completely. Subtract and remainder will be a 0. Now we will take the next number as a new dividend and we will take 24 as a divisor. Okay, by 24 multiplying it by 8 times you will get 192. Subtract the two numbers, you will get 12. Now bring down the divisor as your new dividend. In table of 12, this number goes 2 times. The answer is 0. So HCF of all these three numbers by division method is 12. The next number is 20573267. So as you know, the greater number goes inside. So 3267 goes inside and 2057 remains outside. So it is your divisor. So 1 times it will be 2057. Subtract the two numbers, you will get 0, 1, 2, 1. Then copy the divisor, old divisor as your dividend. 2057 and multiply it by this number, or divide it by this number, sorry. So this will go one time, 1210. Subtract and you will get 748. Now take the divisor again. 847 you will take again one time. This will be 847. Subtract the numbers, you will get 363. 847 is your next dividend. This will go twice. It will be 726. Subtract these and you will get 121. 363 is your next dividend. This 3 times, it will be 363. That completes your solution, and your HCF for these two numbers, highest common factor, is 121. This divisor, the last divisor, is your answer. The rest of the sums will be solved with the same method, including question number 3. So now I'll be doing question number 4, the problem sums. Okay, so your next question is, find the greatest number which divides 75 and 54 and leaves remainder 3 and 6 respectively. You know to divide these numbers, but in this question there is a little different because it has got remainder 3 and 6, which you need to subtract from these two numbers and then divide the difference. So what you need to do is copy 75 and 54. First number will be subtracted by the first number, the second number will be subtracted by the second remainder. So 75 will be subtracted by 3 and 54 will be subtracted by 6. You will get 72 and 48 as the difference of these numbers. Now you will divide 72 by 48. So copy 48 as a divisor and take the bigger number, that is 72, as your dividend. You can divide it one time. So 48 one time is 48. Subtract the two numbers and you will get 24. Now get 48 as your dividend. 24 two times is 48. Subtract and you will get your answer. So your HCF will be 24. Question number 5 and 6 will be solved using the same method. You will subtract these numbers from these numbers and divide them as the same method. In this, you have got only one remainder, so both the numbers will be subtracted by 5. That is 245. When you subtract 5, you will get only 240, and 1029. If you will subtract by 5, you will get 1024. Okay. Now the next question is 7th. Question 7 is also very easy. You need to write the bigger number inside and take the smaller number as a divisor. Here you will take 54 as your dividend and 36 as a divisor. 1 times this will be 36. Subtract, you will get 18. Bring your divisor down. 2 times it will be 36. Remainder is 0. Now take the old divisor as your new divisor and take the next number as your dividend. This 1 time this will be 18 minus and you will get a 6. Bring down your divisor, multiply it with 3 times, you will get 18. So your HCF will be 6. The next question is determine the length of the longest tape which can be used to measure exactly the lengths 6 meter 58 centimeter, 9 meter 40 centimeter and 11 meter 28 centimeter. As you can see, there are different units given, meters and centimeters. So we will convert meters into centimeters to get a proper number to be divided. As you all know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 6 meter 58 centimeter, if you want to convert this number, you will have to multiply it with this number. So 6 meter into 100 centimeter plus 58 centimeter. This will be 600 centimeter plus 58 centimeter, which will give you 658 centimeter. Now we will take the other number, which is 9 meter 40 centimeter. 9 meter will be multiplied by 100 centimeter plus 40 centimeter. This will give you 900 centimeter plus 40 centimeter, which will become 940 centimeter. So the last number is 11 meter 28 centimeter. Multiply 11 by 100 centimeter plus 28 centimeter. This will give you 1100 centimeter plus 28 centimeter. Add them and you will get 1128 centimeter. Now, using these numbers, you will solve the sum. Now, we will divide 940 by 658. We will divide this number by this number. So this will go 1 time, but it won't get a perfect answer. Minus, you will get 2, 8, 2. Bring down your divisor. For 2 times, this will be 564. Subtract the 2 and you will get 94. Now copy the divisor as your next dividend. Thus 3 times is 282. Your answer will be 0 here. Now the other number is left. The next number is 1128. You will take this divisor as your next divisor. 94 12 times will be 1128. Subtract and you will get a 0. Your HCF is now 94. Your next question is, a room measures 4.8 meters and 5.04 meters. Find the size of the longest square tile that can be used to tile the floor without cutting any tile. So these numbers are given in meters. So we will convert these numbers into centimeters. So we all know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 4.8 meter into 100 centimeter. When we divide non-decimal numbers with decimal numbers, what happens is we count the zeros and this decimal will skip as many decimals are there. So this is having two zeros, so the decimal will move 2 numbers ahead. That will give you 4 8, and where here you can see there is no zero, there is no number, so where there is no number we will add a 0, so this will become 480. Then 5.04 meter into 100 centimeter. So as you can see there are 2 zeros, so this decimal will move to the right, skipping these 2 numbers. So your next number will be 504 centimeter. Now we can easily divide and solve the sum. 504 divided by 480. The bigger number will be divided by the smaller number. This one time is 480. Subtract and you will get 24. Bring down your divisor 480 and divide it 20 times, it will be 480. Subtract your answer, or HCF will be 24.